Hi guys, welcome to my channel The Chubby Chick. This is Poonam. This is such an healthy recipe and full of nutrients and proteins. So without any further ado, let's get cooking. So firstly, I've taken one boiled beetroot over here and I'm adding about 1 cup boiled chickpeas. These I've already soaked overnight and then boiled them. So now I'm gonna add about 3 teaspoons of tahini. I already have a YouTube video for tahini. I will link it below in the description box. Please do not forget to check that. It is made with sesame seeds. I have the whole recipe in another video. Now I'm adding about 8 to 10 pods of garlic, half a lemon squeezed, some salt and black pepper as per your taste, and some water so that it blends really well. I'm using the chickpea water over here. So now I'm gonna blend this really well until it forms into a smooth fine paste. Shake it well in between if required because the chickpeas and the beetroot tend to get stuck at the bottom. So shake it well, use a spoon and try and move it. So you can check over here if it requires some more salt or black pepper in it. I'm also going to add about a teaspoon of olive oil and also some water because I think it should be a little more smoother than this. So that's it guys. Now I'm gonna blend it again and then the smooth and creamy hummus will be ready. And the hummus is ready guys. It has such a beautiful color. Look how pretty that is looking. I'm just gonna make a well in between and I'm gonna drizzle some chili oil. Again, this recipe for chili oil is there in my tahini video. You can check that. I'm linking it in the description box. Please do not forget to comment down and let me know what you think about this recipe. Also, please do tag me on Instagram if you make these. Like, share and subscribe to my channel The Chubby Chick. Till then, keep smiling, stay safe, stay healthy.